This is lesson 1, Introduction to Ratio, and specifically this is question 12. Now, it says on the way to work, Andrew passes through 12 sets of traffic lights, Pauline passes through 10 sets of traffic lights. One morning Andrew was stopped by 12 red traffic lights. How many green traffic lights would Pauline need to pass through to have an equivalent ratio of red to green lights as Andrew? Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to find out the ratio of red to green traffic lights for Andrew. So let's start off with A for Andrew, and we have red to green. So it says here that Andrew was stopped by 12 red. If 12 were red out of the 15, then 3 were green. So we have the ratio 12 to 3. Now we can simplify that ratio by dividing by each of 12 and 3 by a number that goes into 12 and 3 evenly, and that would be 3. So I'm going to divide both of them by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the ratio, the simplified ratio of red lights to green lights for Andrew is 4 to 1. Now that has to be the same ratio for Pauline, but she has 10 sets of traffic lights to pass through. So if we have this ratio 4 to 1, an equivalent ratio to that would be 8 to 2, or another equivalent one would be 12 to 3. Now, just as the 12 to 3 one was right for Andrew because there were 12 red to 3 green, and 12 plus 3 added up to 15, if you look at the one before that, 8 plus 2 adds up to 10 sets of traffic lights, of which 8 would have been red and 2 would have been green. Okay, so that tells me that because this ratio here is the same as this one here and this one here, then the number of green lights that Pauline passed through was equal to 2.